If your digital store isn't automated yet, you're not running a business, you're babysitting one. Let's fix that right now by setting up a full automation system using Zapier and AI, so your store can make sales, send products, and follow up with customers without you lifting a finger. Step 1. Understand automation. Running a digital store sounds simple until you realize how many small tasks come with every order. A customer buys a product, you need to send them the file, mark the sale in your records, email them a thank you, maybe tag them for an upsell, and then respond to their messages. It's all fine when you have 5 orders a week, but once you start growing, you'll spend most of your time doing admin instead of creating or marketing. That's where automation changes everything. Automation means teaching your tools to talk to each other. You set up a rule once, and from then on, that rule runs automatically. It's like hiring an invisible assistant who never forgets, never gets tired, and doesn't need a salary. Businesses that automate scale faster because they can handle more work without hiring extra help. When you automate, you reduce costs, save time, and stop errors before they happen. One of the best tools for automation right now is Zapier. Zapier connects over 8,000 apps, from Gmail to Google Sheets to Shopify to MailerLite, and lets them work together with no coding needed. You can tell it what to do in plain English. It's currently one of the simplest ways to bring automation into a small or solo-run business. You can connect your store platform, your CRM, your email service, your analytics tools, all inside one central dashboard. Let's walk through how to use it to automate your entire store. Step 2. Create a Zap. When you open Zapier, the first thing you'll do is create what's called a Zap. A Zap is just a workflow built around an "if this happens, then do that" rule. For example, if a new order comes in, then send an email and add that order to my sales sheet. This is where automation starts. Go to your Zapier dashboard. You'll see a button that says Create. Click it. You can also use the new AI Copilot box that lets you describe your goal in simple language. You could type, "When someone buys from my Payhip store, send them a thank you email and record the order in Google Sheets." Zapier's AI will build a draft workflow for you automatically. Next, you'll set the trigger. The trigger is what starts your automation. Choose your store app as the trigger app. This could be Gumroad, Payhip, Shopify, or whatever platform you use to make sales. Then choose the trigger event, which will usually be new order. This means every time someone places an order, Zapier starts running your workflow. Once that's done, you'll add the first action. Let's say you're selling digital downloads. You can connect Zapier to send an automatic delivery email as soon as the purchase is made. No more sending links manually or checking your inbox every 10 minutes. Then you add another step to record that sale somewhere. Most people use Google Sheets for this because it's quick and familiar. You'll tell Zapier to add a new row with details like the customer's name, email, order number, product name, and date. From now on, every order will be logged automatically, giving you a clear record without extra effort. Now you're ready to handle communication. Let's connect your email system. Choose Gmail or MailerLite or whatever you use for sending emails. When you're setting it up, Zapier will ask who the email should go to. Click in the recipient box, press the /key, and choose customer email from your order data. That way, every email goes to the correct person from your trigger. At this stage, you have a working system. Someone buys, the product gets sent, and their order gets recorded. But we can make it smarter using AI. Step 3. Use Zapier's built-in AI features. Zapier now has built-in AI features called AI by Zapier. These allow you to write prompts that automatically generate text based on your data. Add a new step before your email action, choose AI by Zapier, and then select Prompt Assistant. Here you'll write a simple instruction for the AI, something like, "You are a professional customer service agent. Write a short and polite thank you email with the customer's first name and product name included. Make it warm and clear." Then, in the input fields, use the /key again to map dynamic data from the order, like the customer's name and product title. When you test the step, Zapier's AI will generate a complete message ready to send. You can then replace the body of your Gmail step with this AI-generated text. The result is a personalized message that sounds human but is fully automated. This single step saves hours every week. It's one of those moments where you'll smile because you realize your business just started running itself. To make your emails even more personal, you can use Zapier's built-in formatter tool. Add a formatter step after your trigger, choose Text, then Split. Set the input to the customer's full name and split it by space. The output will be their first name, which you can use in your email greeting or in your AI prompt. This tiny tweak makes your messages feel more real and builds trust with your customers. You can also create conditional logic for upsells. In Zapier, there's a feature called Paths. It lets your workflow branch out depending on certain conditions. So you can say, if the customer bought product A, send upsell email A, or if they bought product B, send upsell email B. This means your follow-ups are targeted and relevant, increasing your chance of repeat sales without you ever writing a second email manually. Step 4, setup tracking. It's easy to get lost once you have several automations running. Add a step in your Zap to update Google Sheets or Zapier tables. Every time something happens, like an order, a follow-up email, or an upsell, you can log it. Use actions like lookup spreadsheet row or update spreadsheet row. This creates a real-time dashboard that tracks everything happening in your store. You'll always know how many sales you made, which products sold best, and when each customer received their follow-up. Step 5, test. In Zapier, use the test button to run through the workflow. You'll see a play-by-play of what happens. The trigger fires, the actions run, the emails are sent, and the sheet updates. If something fails, you'll see where it went wrong. Fix any missing fields or misconfigurations before publishing. Once you're happy, click Publish. Your Zap is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Step 6. Use Zapier to scale. Zapier has different pricing tiers based on how many automated tasks you run each month. A task means one action, like sending an email or adding a spreadsheet row. The free plan gives you up to 100 tasks a month. That's plenty to test things and see how it works. Once your store grows, you'll likely move to the Pro plan, and the pricing will adjust based on how many tasks you'll need. If you're running a higher volume store, Zapier offers custom plans with even higher limits. The best part is that you only scale up when your business justifies it. You're not paying for extra capacity you don't need. And remember, you don't need to automate everything at once. Start with the single most time-consuming task in your store. Maybe that's sending receipts or logging sales. Once that works perfectly, add the next piece. Within a few weeks, your entire operation will be running smoothly without constant attention. What's the most time-consuming task that you could automate with Zapier? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.